Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create another Gmail address. So if you didn't already know, you can actually create more Gmail addresses on a single Gmail app. So in order to do this, it's really easy, so let's just immediately jump into the video. In order to do this, when you already have one Gmail address or account, what you can do is click on your profile picture and you can simply click on add another account. Now what you can do is you can choose to create a Google account, iCloud, Outlook, Office, but we're going to create a Gmail. So we're going to click on Google, and now what we're needing to do is we are going to click on create account right here and make sure it is for personal use. Now we're simply going to type in our email, for example my email or our name, so I'm going to do that's fax, and I'm going to click on next. Now I need to do my birthday. I'm just going to choose a random one, but I would recommend choosing one where you're at least 18 years old, just to make sure that you don't get any restrictions, and it doesn't really matter what you say by the gender. Then click on next, and now we need to actually create our Gmail account address. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply create an address that we think is going to be fitting for our personal use. It doesn't really matter what your Gmail is going to be, for example, tutorials. Then I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to create a password for my Gmail, of course. So I will blur this one out really quickly so I can quickly type this in. And now you can add a phone number, but what I would recommend doing is just simply scrolling down, and I will recommend on clicking skip. And now we can see that my account is being created with my email. And you can need to add some settings. Just choose the express thing. This doesn't really matter in my opinion. Just click on accept all and scroll down again and click on confirm. Click on agree, and now your Google account will literally be created. That's all you need to do in order to create a second Gmail account. Now what you can simply do is click on go back, and if I now go to my email that I just created, we can see right now that I'm going to get a new inbox. Sometimes it takes a little bit to load, so I will get back to you guys. Oh, it's already here. Click on turn on smart features, and we can literally right now see that my Google email address is being created right now, and I have a new inbox. So that's how you can create another Gmail address / account. If you learned something from this video, I would really appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.